You serious? I don't want to go. You just regret your decision? Are you staying out? You just staying out to spite me? It's so hard to shower you and you just go out in the rain like that? Just to show me because you can? And where's everyone else? See? You're hiding? You are hiding. Is that what you want to do? Is that why? Aren't you coming in? No? You sure? Show off? Come on. Are you really staying out in the rain? You're not even a water dog. Where are you going? You're hiding behind the chair. So I can record you. Hey! Get out from behind the chair. Hey! Hey, I'm not shaming you. Here we have a bowl of water. Stop licking the grass. Hello? Hey! Where you go? Clell? Hello? Clell? I'm not shaming you. Sorry. Where is he going? Come on. Come on in. Really? Sir. Come on. It is cold. I want to close the door. Hello? Sir. Oh. He's hiding again. Oi! Come on! Little shit. Hey! Come on, come here. It is cold. I don't want to close the door on you. Come on, come here. I promise I won't laugh at you anymore. Come on. Come on. Oh, well, you got a friend now. You bring the dogs out. Hey, come in here. You want me to stop laughing? Is that why? Oh, it is cold. Please come back in here so I can close the door. Oi! Hey! It is cold! Right, baby girl. It's cold, huh? Oh, you want to go out too? Okay, well, everyone's out now. Oh, welcome back. Where's the other two? Are you gonna bring the other two in? Oh, yep. One accountable. One accounted for. Alex, are you coming in? Alex, are you coming in? Nope. Hiding behind the chair too, I see. Going out again? I can't close the door, huh? Ugh.